Hello, good evening, good morning. Nag-love shout out po sa lahat ng nanay, mama, mommy, all over the world. So today guys is very special to all mothers in the world. Today we celebrate the Mother's Day special. So I'm going to greet you also a happy Mother's Day. We deserve the best, guys. You deserve the best. Alam natin lahat na ang nanay, ang mama, ang mommy ay gagawin ang lahat para sa kanilang mga anak. So we deserve the best, guys. You deserve the best. So, eto, I'm going to treat myself breakfast in bed. So, ayan siya guys. And good morning nga pala sa lahat. So, ayan. Kain tayo guys. Breakfast in bed. Sample lang to guys. Kumbaga, hindi naman, meron naman kasing iba na like, magtatampo kasi hindi ginaano ng mga anak nila. Huwag po kayo mag-alala. Kahit anong busy man ng mga anak natin, ay siguradong mahal na mahal nila tayo. May mga times lang talaga na siguro busy sila, kaya hindi nila tayo ma-treat. So, I deserve to treat myself, guys. Wala namang mawawala kung bakit hindi pwedeng, di ba, i-celebrate ang araw na special para sa akin, di ba? So, I treat myself. This is my way of celebrating Mother's Day, my own. I treat myself breakfast in bed. So, ayan, kain tayo, guys. And I hope lahat ng mothers and all over the world are celebrating now, and I hope lahat ng mama ay in good health ngayon, being blessed, be with their family, kumakain ng masasarap, tinitreat yung sarili nila ngayon ng nice way, kahit anong pwedeng gawin guys, pwede. And treat yourself a day off today, guys. Today, because today is a special day and we deserve the best. You deserve the best. So that's all, God. That's all then, guys. God bless you all. Thank you so much to all who are watching my short video of special Mother's Day special. Bye, guys.